run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Now that 2024 is over with, I can look back and think about some of the firsts in 2024, like my son completing his first off-road trail by himself, and my starting my first podcast, and my first drone flight, starting with this one right here in Payson, Arizona. And that's what this video is about, my drone flights in 2024.
Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
This next site in 2024 is a very special place, and I have been sworn to secrecy about its location, other than to tell you that it's on Earth. But this waterfall is absolutely beautiful, and I was very fortunate to be given permission to film it and share it with you, so I hope you enjoy it. This next place on the list is New Mexico, where I got to go for an event and I got to do some camping out of my Overland trailer. And I also got to film the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser on this closed course. Next on the list is the China Dam and Thule Homestead near Phoenix, Arizona. And this trip was really important because this is my son's very first solo off-road trip, and not solo by himself, but by himself driving. The next one on the list is the back way to Crown King, but this time it's through Walker Gulch. I've had this one on my radar for a while. I've seen it on the map and wanted to run this for a while, and we finally got the opportunity. Definitely a good trip, highly recommend it. Okay, next was sort of a special trip because we had gone to the Four Peaks cleanup and decided to spend the night out there in our brand new swag tent, and I happened to wake up just early enough to catch sunrise over Four Peaks. The next bit of drone work was really special and a project I'm very proud of. I got to fly my drone around the hospital that I work, with security and public relations and FAA approval, obviously, to create a educational video series for healthcare providers within the hospital setting. 29 videos. Really cool project, really proud to be a part of it, and it turned out great. This next one was really fun because this was a trail that I had seen many times and often looked up at it and wondered, I wonder where that road goes. This is the Queen Creek Canyon Trail. These next two places were like visiting some old friends. State Route 88, or what locals call Fish Creek Hill, was just recently reopened after some flooding that basically destroyed the road. And we used to use that road to get to the Revis Ranch trailhead, which is also in this video. Some really cool drone work in here. I really love this area. It was really cool. You should go check it out if you've never been. Joseph and I got to ride along on this next trip on a trail called Collateral Damage. It is really a big Jeep trail for sure, but we had a super great time, and the drone work in this one was really cool. I think this one might be the favorite of 2024. This trail has a lot of volunteer hours invested in it, and it's a very special place. It's FR 42 Telegraph Line Road. If you have not run it, you need to. It is a favorite for sure. Blue Ribbon Trail in Arizona. Life is truly an adventure, so get out and enjoy some trails. Here's to a fantastic 2024 with lots of trail adventures, a lot more to come in 2025. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.